Tracking your organic keyword rankings on Amazon is still one of the toughest things because there's no organic Amazon tool for that. So here's a little update from the Amazon Tools League to show you which are currently in October 2025 the best tools out there to actually keep track of your organic visibility on Amazon, starting with the bronze medalists with DataHawk. Then we have Analyze and Jungle Scout sharing the silver medal, and going to the top is DataDive with quite the points difference here, right? 30 points more than the second place tool. So that is quite the difference, I would say. And let me just quickly explain what is actually considered in the keyword tracking scoring system. Well, we are looking, of course, at this green keyword tracking visibility area. Here I'm looking at, how many positions in the search results are actually tracked, what kind of how many keywords you can actually track, right? So, in the case of DataDive, it's actually 12,000 radar keywords and even 1,000 in the second highest plan. So that's still a lot of keywords that you can track organically. And like I said, there's no, native Amazon tool for this. And it's also not pushed by the API from Amazon, which is why, a lot of third-party tools like DataDive, well, not so much them, but other tools are struggling with offering this kind of rank tracking, right? So 12,000 keywords is really a lot. And I'm looking at all these other keywords here as well, including, where do we have it? Oh yeah, a new one from DataDive actually, the parent-child split, or in other words, seeing which variation specifically is actually ranking for a specific keyword. And if you see that it's not one of your best converting variations, or a variation that has a very good click-through rate, then maybe you should consider switching your ad strategy a bit, shifting more budget, or actually even advertising at all one of your variations that is actually a best performer in that listing, right? So those are some features I'm looking for in the keyword tracking scoring system. And what else do we have here? Oh yeah, actually combining that visibility with aggregated search query performance report data and PPC data, right? And that is super powerful. And it's also something new that DataDive is offering since a couple of months now, right? So they can actually show you which performance you have for those keywords, right? And you actually understand, why am I ranking for them or not, right? If you're not converting well, you're not going to rank well. If your click-through rate is not well, you're not going to rank well. So understanding those numbers, especially compared to your competitors, is super powerful. And they are now also the best at offering that, in a dashboard. What else am I looking for here? Well, combining the visibility with your product data, of course, always nice to have, although not too many tools offering that in a super way yet. Still potential for pretty much all tools there to improve. But yeah, those are the features I'm looking for in this scoring system. So if you're looking to keep track of your organic visibility, which, it's hard to argue many more important things out there as an Amazon seller, right? You want to be visible for those keywords that matter to you. Then currently DataDive, probably by far, actually, if you look at these points, the best option for you out there. Of course, I also have a discount code for you. And additionally, if you check them out via my link today, at least in October, I believe, they will also give you free access to their $497 Masterclass course. Usually it costs, quite a bit, but like I said, completely for free if you check it out via my link today or until October. So yeah, be quick with that, and you'll also benefit from that super generous offer. So yeah, take action now or regret it later. Peace out.